Hey guys, Stacia here with Yellow Canary Designs. I have Julio with me tonight. He took a nap early, so he's awake and I still want to paint. So here we go. I'm gonna do a triptych or a 3-piece mini swipe. So each canvas is only 4 inches by 4 inches and I'm gonna be swiping with really cute colors too. So it's gonna be super fun. Okay, we are just gonna get started here with a yellow base. White base. I don't know why I said yellow. I'm gonna use my blowtorch to get these bubbles out. 5 bubbles. Got most, there's a few little guys left. Okay. I might be tilting these again after I swipe, so I'm not going to be super worried about the edges for right now. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little color and we'll swipe with white over that. Starting with Artist Loft Violet. I don't want to put too much color on here, which I'm not super good at not too much color. So that was pretty good. And now Brilliant Magenta by Artist Loft. My bottle broke, so I had to put some tin foil on that one. This one's harder to get a little bit. You guys wouldn't believe how many times I have dropped paint all over my house. This one I dropped, that's how it broke. I dropped it and had to clean up the whole hallway. Just barely, right before I started, I dropped my white that had silicone in it. So I had to make more of that. Yesterday I dropped the black all over the kitchen. So I'm getting really good at cleaning my house. Scrubbing the floors very well. A little more purple. That didn't want to come off. And Artist Loft Gold, I'm just going to add a bit of this. I just really love little sets like this. These are only 4 inches each. I just love these little sets and how they end up working so well together. Okay, so I have my white and I added silicone to this, and I have my little piece of cardboard, still using that same Cheerios box if anybody's been watching my videos since the beginning. Yes, it is the same Cheerios box as I started with in my first fire swipe video. My swiping tool is too big for this cup, so having to really put effort in to cover it. So I just got some white on there. Just gonna swipe right over these colors. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this off so I can start over on the next one. It's really hard to cover your cardboard when your cardboard doesn't fit in your cup. Okay, here we go. Number 2. Good, good. Ooh, look at all those pretty cells. This is a fun one. Oh, you can hear my son. He's getting sad. He must have finished his oranges. I gotta get him another one. Hold on. Number 3. Yes. Sweet. Okay. Now I want to tilt these a little bit to kind of spread out the color spots to make them a little bit more fun. But I'm loving them so far. I'm gonna torch them one more time. Okay, here we go. Let's try this and see how it goes. I really like this purple and pink and gold combination. It's really cute, especially with the white background. Okay, I like that one. How cute. Aw, yay. Okay, this one hasn't developed as many cells. I'm wondering if maybe I pushed it off on the side. But we're gonna stretch it and see. I think stretching it is helping some of those colors pop out. I don't know if you can see it while I'm tilting it, but it's so much brighter already. I'm gonna tilt this one back a little bit. Ooh, it looks super cute. Okay, and the last one. Guys, I love this. This is so cute. I'm so excited about it. Pink and purple. Okay. Should I push this one back a little bit that way so they're all kind of centered? Yeah, let's do it. I'm imagining you guys all saying, yes, yes, do it, it will look so good. Oh, thanks, guys. Thanks for the support. Since you're not here, I can just make you say whatever I want, right? Okay, I'm gonna cover up my little edges a little bit. I'm gonna make sure we have everything covered here, nice and good. No canvas showing through. Okay, well, those pretty much turned out perfectly, so I'm pretty happy about those. And here is a little close-up for you guys, going from the left to the right. So many super fun cells in these. Julio did so good, huh? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy with how that one turned out. It's super cute. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.